We are back. This is Mommy's Just channel. You're welcome back. Yes. Today I'll be showing you how to make vegetable sauce. Vegetable sauce is made by using vegetable leaf uku, unkom. Then use your palm oil and you use fish or meat, depending on your choice. But I love it when I use meat, ice fish. So you can use ice fish, you can use fresh fish, you can use meat, whatsoever you want to use. Use your crayfish, your onion, your pepper, your seasoning. That's all. That's the only thing you need in preparing vegetable sauce. Let's go by cutting vegetable, please. So right now, I'm going to cut my vegetable. This is my vegetable leaf. I'm going to slice it now. I've already plucked and washed it. So when you want to do yours, please pluck and wash yours. I've washed mine. So I want to cut it now. Alright. For most of you, some of you don't know how to cut, please. This is how you cut your vegetable. Don't mind me, I'm a lefty. Okay, here we go. Start by placing my pots on the fire, then turn on my gas. What I will do now, I will bleach my oil. Smoke. Need to add my onion, good, and my fresh ice cream. Wow. And you turn it gently. I'm frying my fish down. What I will do now, I will cover this fish, allow this fish to fry for like 2 minutes. Let me check the time. Okay. Yes, our fish is smoothly fried. So what I will add now is my crayfish. And a little pepper. And turn it again. Then I will now add my fish water. Remember, when I was steaming the fish, there was water. This one is my fish water. So add a little of it. Okay, add my fish water. Turn it again. This one is a very sharp food. Maybe you just come back from work, you need to eat something very fast. Just remember that there is vegetable sauce. Then quickly make it and use it and eat your food. You can use vegetable sauce and eat with whatever thing you want to do. Now I will add my vegetable. This one is sharp food. Use it and eat whatever you want to. And use it and eat plantain, your boiled plantain, your boiled cocoyam, your rice, whatever. Doesn't take much time. So we'll add my remaining onion. Then a spoon of seasoning and a little salt. Turn it properly. See, as you can see, our sauce is ready to serve with rice, with your boiled plantain, with whatsoever you want to. I have told you from the start that this one is a very sharp meal. Everything is ready, so I can now serve it very quick. Our vegetable sauce is ready to be served. Okay. Like I said, you can serve it with anything. It will still give you what you want, depending on your choice.